So this is the Oukitel WP210. It only weighs 311 grams. Wait, what? Just 311 grams? Don't be surprised, because unlike the regular phones I usually test, this one is a rugged phone. And for its category, 311 grams is actually pretty lightweight. It packs a massive 8,800 mAh battery, which means yes, you can even use it as a power bank with reverse charging. Add to that a fast MediaTek Dimensity 8200 processor, a 120Hz OLED display with vibrant colors, and even a 108 megapixel main camera. I think Oukitel has struck a sweet balance here. The WP210 blends toughness with the design, outdoor durability with solid performance. Plus, Oukitel is offering it at a very competitive price in its official store. The unboxing is straightforward. The phone itself, paperwork, a USB-C to USB-C cable, and a 45-watt charger. You also get a half-transparent protective case that feels like good quality. Now for the quick design tour. On the top, you'll find the vent hole and the light sensor. On the left side, there is a customizable smart key which can be assigned different functions for single, double, or long presses. At the bottom, we have the SIM card slot, microphone, USB-C port, and speaker grill. On the right, the volume rocker and power key. Around the back is the camera module housing a 108 megapixel main camera, a micro and a depth sensor, plus an LED flash. The back panel uses a nano injection texture with a subtle diamond pattern. It feels delicate but also very grippy, fingerprint resistant, and not slippery. Honestly, this is the first rugged phone I've seen that doesn't scream rugged. No exposed screws everywhere, no over-the-top bug, at least from the back. It just looks sleek. The WP210 comes in gray, red, and black. The red option especially stands out with its fox leather back, more like a classy business phone. Honestly, it looks like it's made for successful business people like my subscribers. Speaking of which, subscribe if you haven't already. Being rugged means it can survive tough outdoor conditions. The WP210 is protected by Gorilla Glass 5 with IP68 69K certification. That means drops from moderate heights and shallow freshwater immersion wouldn't be an issue. I didn't do extreme durability tests, but honestly I don't think that's necessary. It's built for it. And of course, the star of the show, the 8,800 mAh battery. It's huge. With this, you feel secure on trips knowing it'll last for days without charging. And when you do need to charge, the 45 watts fast charger tops up in about 2.5 hours, which is pretty solid for a battery this size. Surprisingly, the WP210 comes with an OLED display, which you don't often see on rugged phones in this price range. It reaches 500 nits of brightness, not exceptional, especially for outdoor use, but still usable. As for the speaker, it's a single mono speaker. It gets loud, but it's mid-heavy with almost no bass. Fun for casual use. Cameras are usually where rugged phones cut corners. Here, Oukitel gives you a 108 megapixel main camera. Do we need it? That's up to you. But here are some shots for you to judge. It also shoots 4K at 30 FPS, though the footage can look a bit soft at times. For selfies, there is a 32 megapixel front camera, which is decent, though shadow detail in darker areas could be better. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8200, the WP210 delivers excellent performance compared to most outdoor phones in its price class. Day-to-day use feels smooth and even heavy apps run fine. Under long sessions, the chip barely throttles, so performance is consistent. On the software side, it runs Android 15 with a very clean setup and hardly any bloatware. That's something I personally appreciate. The Oukitel WP210 is one of the most balanced rugged phones I've tested so far. It breaks away from the bulky, industrial look of typical rugged devices and instead gives you a phone that's tough, practical, and actually stylish. And for the pros and cons, I'll just list on the screen so you will know what you're going to get. If you're looking for a rugged phone that doesn't compromise too much on design, performance, or usability, the Oukitel WP210 is definitely worth considering. And if you are interested, please check the link in the description and get one now. Thanks for watching, and Sam will see you in the next one. Bye bye.